Are you looking for the best body spray dating birthday gift pheromone? In this video we will look at some of the best body spray dating birthday gift pheromone on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. 50 ml Midnight Rose Perfume Women Long Lasting Red Rose. Unique midday rose fragrance, elegant and charming. The fragrance is long lasting, exuding a strong floral scent and sweet fruity fragrance. Exquisite bottle design, showing the elegant temperament of women. Suitable for various occasions, exuding confidence and sexiness. Give women confidence and charm, and become the focus of others' eyes. Number 2. Rose Perfume Long-Lasting Floral Fragrance Body. With a unique formula, it has a fresh and elegant rose fragrance, making you unique in the crowd. The light fragrance can create a romantic atmosphere during a date and make the other person fall for you. The delicate smell is like magic, which can increase confidence and show your unique charm. Whether it is day or night, pheromone fragrance can bring you confidence and charm. Number 3. Coconut Vanilla Floral Fragrance Perfume. Natural and fresh. Unique sandalwood tone. This perfume combines the sweet and fresh fruit aroma with the warm and steady sandalwood aroma to create a unique fragrance that is both lively and deep. The fresh scent in the top note brings a pleasant first impression. Number 4. 100 ml Women Perfume Laboratory Long-Lasting Parfum. This cologne is designed for men and women and boasts a daring and long-lasting fragrance that exudes confidence and power. Top notes of lemon and sugar provide a zesty and sweet aroma, while lavender adds a touch of sophistication at its heart. Number 5. 100 ml Brand Women Perfume. Santal 33 by Le Labo is a woody aromatic fragrance for women and men. Santal 33 was launched in 2025. The nose behind this fragrance is frank vocal. If you want to buy Le Labo Santal 33 EDP 100 ml for unisex,